ఏప్రిల్ 14 పవిత్రమైన రోజున పూర్తిగా పునరుద్ధరించబడుతుంది. గురునానక్ మెడికల్ సెంటర్ సరికొత్త సౌకర్యాలతో తిరిగి తెరవబడుతుంది. అగ్రశ్రేణి ఆరోగ్య సంరక్షణ సౌకర్యాల కోసం డిమాండ్ పెరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి మేము చాలా సరసమైన ధరల్లో అందరికీ అధిక నాణ్యత గల ఆరోగ్య సంరక్షణ సేవల్ని అందించాలని నిర్ణయించుకున్నాము. మేము అల్ట్రాసౌండ్, ఎక్స్రే, పాథాలజీ ల్యాబ్ వంటి అత్యుత్తమ సేవలతో మా వైద్య కేంద్రాన్ని అప్గ్రేడ్ చేశాము. 2D ఎకో, డెంటల్, డే కేర్ సదుపాయం మరెన్నో చాలా సరసమైన ధరల్లో అందుబాటులో ఉంటాయి. రోగులకు అత్యుత్తమ సంరక్షణ, చికిత్స అందుతుందని నిర్ధారించడానికి మేము అధిక అర్హత కలిగిన అనుభవజ్ఞులైన వైద్యుల్ని నియమించాము. అంతేకాకుండా మేము రోగులకు అత్యంత జాగ్రత్తగా చికిత్స చేయడానికి నైపుణ్యం కలిగిన నిపుణుల్ని కూడా నియమించుకున్నాము. బల్దేవ్ సింగ్ బగ్గా అధ్యక్షుడు, అవతార్ సింగ్ కార్యదర్శి, జగన్మోహన్ సింగ్ కార్యదర్శి, హర్ప్రీత్ సింగ్ గులాటీ కార్యదర్శి. సేవలో ప్రబంధక్ కమిటీ, గురుద్వారా సాహెబ్, సికింద్రాబాద్.
बोले सो निहाल। बोले तो निहाल। जगमोहन अंकल बाबू बोले सो निहाल। ऑपरेशन सुरेंद्र को पता है घर ही बैठा 2-3 महीने तो कर दो 1 किलो ट्यूमर बोले तो निहाल। एक बार ग्रुप आ जाओ। सुरेंद्र पाल ने पता है सुरेंद्र पाल ग्रुप फोटो लेना
की फतेह। आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर जहां खालसा सृजना दिवस पूरे संसार भर में जहां जहां भी गुरु नानक नाम लेवा बैठा है, सिख बैठा है, आज बड़े प्यार श्रद्धा उल्लास के साथ मना रहा है। गुरुद्वारा साहिब सिकंदराबाद प्रधान साहब सरदार बलदेव सिंह जी की सरपरस्ती के अंडर यहाँ पर गुरु नानक मेडिकल सेंटर की आज स्थापना की गई। स्थापना तो वैसे 15 साल पहले हो गई थी, आज उसे बड़े नवीनतम तरीके से बनाकर इसका उद्घाटन किया गया। जैसे आपको प्रधान साहब ने, रोटरी क्लब के प्रधान साहब शैलेश जी ने और डॉक्टर साहब बख्शी जी ने और हमारे सकत्तर हरप्रीत सिंह जी गुलाटी, इन्होंने बताया यहाँ पर सभी फैसिलिटीज उपलब्ध होंगी। आप मीडिया वालों के बेनती की जाती है कि आपने इसका बढ़ चढ़कर इसका प्रचार करना है ताकि लोकल संगत, लोकल लोग इसका फायदा उठा सकें और गुरु महाराज की खुशियां प्राप्त कर सकें। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Very happy Baisakhi. I am Dr. Bhupin Singh Bakshi, and it's an honor and privilege to serve Guru Nanak Medical Center. I had been serving before the renovation also. The best part of this renovated Guru Nanak Medical Center is we have the best of the equipment. It's not that it is a charitable center, so there is a compromise in quality anywhere. So thanks to the Gurdwara committee, Mr. Baldev Singh Bagga ji and the Rotarians, we have no dearth of good staff, good equipment, and the management has never backed off from buying anything that is quality. So in the name of charity, we are still able to provide a very quality oriented service. We have the best of the ultrasound machines, x-ray machines, analyzers, blood analyzers. So it's not that if something is coming at a cheap rate, it is going to be compromised. The results of the labs will be accurate. The doctors who are coming are very well experienced. They work in good hospitals where their fees is very high, and they still have agreed to come here and serve the people and give it back to the community. And the best part is this center is going to cater to all communities, irrespective of the religion, caste, creed, whatever. And the doctor consultation will be just 150 rupees. And most of the tests are very, very nominal, as Bagaji has said. So thanks again, and looking forward to help and serve the society.
From our club side, Rotary Club of Hyderabad Deccan, to partner with Gurdwara, Secunderabad Gurdwara, to renovate this Guru Nanak Medical Center. Initially, about 5-6 years back, we partnered with them to set up the dialysis center, and we saw their social service mindedness. Then, once the dialysis center started, we discussed with them in what other manner we can associate with them, and renovation of this medical diagnostic center. Even earlier, they were offering diagnostic services at a very, very reasonable rates for the needy. So then we said, yes, we would like to partner with you to renovate this center, to make this a top quality diagnostic center. They readily agreed, thanks to the Gurdwara committee and all the members. And the end result is what you see here today. Top class diagnostic services available to all the people at a fraction of the market rates that are there, without any compromise whatsoever. I take this opportunity to thank the Gurdwara committee, all the members and all the doctors and staff associated with this medical center for giving this opportunity, and congratulate them on providing such excellent services. I would also like to mention, any other manner our Rotary Club can associate with you for serving the society, we are ready and willing to do that, sir. I would request Rotarian Sailesh, who played a very major role in making sure this center came up, to address.
के ऊपर उसके गुरु नानक मेडिकल सेंटर के बारे में आप लिखेंगे। आप सबका धन्यवाद है। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी।
With the blessing of Guru Granth Sahib, happy Baisakhi to all of you, and with the support of Rotary Club of Hyderabad Deccan, Rotary International and Rotary Club of Naperville, we were able to inaugurate this facility to serve the underprivileged. As the President of Gurudwara, Mr. Baldev Singh Ji, and our President, Mr. Vishwanath, has told, we would be giving this service at a fraction of the cost. As most of you know that, about 6 years back we have started this dialysis center, and we are proud to say that we have completed, in association with Bhagwan Mahavir Dialysis Center and Gurudwara Medical Center, where we have completed more than 60,000 dialysis at a cost of rupees 300. And we hope going further, this diagnostic center also will provide all the services to the poor at the lowest of the cost in the city, at the best of the technology which is available today. And we also assure Gurudwara Samiti that we would like to partner in many more projects coming up in the future. We all together can serve the community much better and do this world a much better place to live. Thank you.
Always full. And diagnostic lab, X-ray, ultrasound, physiotherapy, ophthalmology, कंसल्टेशन और बाकी सब फैसिलिटीज़ के साथ बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर्स यहाँ सेवा करेंगे। और हमारा ये रोटरी के साथ एसोसिएशन भी है, तो ये आज स्टार्ट हो रहा है। बैसाखी हमारा जो खालसा स्थापना दिवस के दिन वी आर स्टार्टिंग टुडे। हम सबको धन्यवाद बोलते हैं, रोटरी क्लब को भी और बाकी संगत को भी, और गुरुद्वारा कमेटी, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट के ट्रस्टीज पूरे, सबका मतलब थैंक्स है जिन्होंने कोऑपरेट किया। खास करके डॉक्टर्स जो यहाँ पे सेवा करेंगे, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र सिंह सलूजा, डॉक्टर विपिन बख्शी और डॉक्टर आहूजा, और बाकी बहुत से पैनल में डॉक्टर्स हैं, डिफरेंट स्पेशलिटीज़, और कंसल्टेशन हर किस्म का रहेगा। बाकी बस एंड इसका जो चार्जेस रहेंगे it is about 25% of the market price with top quality result. तो वो एक खास बात है. दिस इज बेसिकली एक अपने चैरिटेबल के हिसाब से ये शुरू किया गया था और आगे से भी वैसा ही है, चैरिटेबली रहेंगे. मतलब देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ मेकिंग एनी मनी, बल्कि मेडिकल सेंटर गुरुद्वारे की तरफ से कुछ मतलब शॉर्टफॉल विल बी फिल्ड बाय गुरुद्वारा कमेटी एंड वॉट एवर इट इज. तो पब्लिक के लिए तो इट इज नथिंग मोर देन 25% ऑफ द मार्केट प्राइस विद परफेक्ट रिजल्ट्स.